Hello traders, hope you had a wonderful day today. We had a lot of opportunities, ups and downs on every side. There were multiple trades that could be taken. I actually traded only in the morning today. And then I went out to see a midday movie. Okay, so let us go through, but I will go through the whole day, and we will talk about what happened and what did not. So let us simply start with the RTA chart. So before we started, we had this kind of an idea that if the price keeps moving up from here, it may come to this 4-2 area, which is the high of the previous day, and then we may actually dump down a little bit, and we will see where we get support, and from there again we may actually go back up. And, a little bit different from what happened, but there were a lot of opportunities that came into the picture. As I was saying yesterday night, that we were in a bull leg when we were completing the end of the day yesterday, and when it goes up, we will be able to get another measured move. Again, if we just conservatively measure this, and if we say that the top of the bar one was the end of the first leg, then you will see we actually got the 1:1 here, right? And right at that point in the ETA chart as well, if you see, we were in a kind of a tight trading range. What I did was, when the bar one actually happened, I put a buy order at 29.5, right above this red box, and I came out at the high of yesterday. So that was the first trade of the day, that the first scalp that worked really nice. We got from around 29 to 42. So that was around 12, 13 points that was captured there. After that, I saw this candle. There was no point in going long or short. It did not close above the HOY. It went near the high of yesterday and then got rejected. And we created a very weak bullish candle, right? As a result of that, this leg came down. Now, if you see, this was the first leg down, this was the second leg down. So the two bearish legs got done here. Now, right after that, we came deep till the COY. We found support there. As we started going back again, I entered long again at the same spot, right? 29.5. And this time we got that measured move that we were looking out from yesterday. And now if we even include the wicks and try to see till where we got the measured move here. I came out of two of my contracts here. I had a runner which I came out around the 53 area or the 51 area. And the reason for coming out of the trade was, as I mentioned in the pre-market call today morning, that we had a 4-hour mother bar, which was that. So if I draw the fibs on the mother bar, you will see that this was the 33% extension of the above the mother bar. So that was one of the reasons that I wanted to come out of this particular trade there. Right after that, we had this two big bearish bars, but I was pretty sure that we are going to have one more leg down for this particular thing. But these two bars were so strong, I actually went long again above this at 27.5. These two were pretty strong candles, and the bears were trapped here. However, the bulls were trapped here as well, right? So I took the chance, and this being a flat top candle, I went long above it, and I came out in the 34 to the 36 area, because if you see the bulls that bought the close of the candle of bar 15, if they bought down here again, that was the area where they actually got break even, right? Since the candles were so big and these bullish candles were so strong, this actually gave me the idea that okay, I can get that little scalp. And after that, we shorted again below bar number 25. Then the next bar also tried to go back up, but it failed, and finally it came down. Our first exit was at 19. Then we were thinking that it may go down to the 12 area. It did not. It got support here and then again came back to 19. So that is where we took the rest of the contracts off. And this is where I said that okay, I am going for a movie right now. But then we saw this beautiful move up, and then we got another measured move up. Then we had this strong leg down and another leg down. So there were multiple opportunities that the market presented itself in today. So those are the four trades that I took in the morning. We went long in the middle of bar 1 in the morning, and then we came out at the top of bar 5. We went long again at 29.5 when bar 10 was happening, and we got the measured move. We went long again above bar number 18 and came out at the top of bar number 21. And then finally we shorted below bar number 25 and came out below bar number 31. Apart from that, I did not have the opportunity to take any trades. I just came back home and started making this video. I will be back in the evening again with the expectations for tomorrow and find out what are the support resistance areas that we have, and we will look look at the possibilities that are there tomorrow. We did get the 5-0 target today, the 5650 target today. Now, if you see that the lows are not breaking down anymore today, even after the strong drops that we had, we did not even come near the lows of the 12-13 line. However, we just picked it up from the 15 area and went back to the 50s once again. So we are in a trading range, but the sentiment of the market is bullish. We will look more at it when we talk about what we are expecting tomorrow. As always, if you like the content of these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. This is where I will end this video for now, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.